I'm Lauren with Salted Pages. I wanted to walk you through how to use the Google Keyword Planner to do some keyword research, optimize your website, and do so many amazing things without having to pay a dime. So what you do is you look up Google Keyword Planner. It's this first one here right now as of February 2020. And then you're going to click Start Now. And then it will open Google Ads and try to get you to start a new campaign. Keep in mind that the account it's logged into is the one that you were logged into on Google when you did that search. So if that's not the account that you want to use while you're doing some keyword research, just click your little profile image up here in the top right and you can switch the account, add a new account, etc. So here, the part that you can really get stuck in is if you select one of these. Essentially, it's trying to get you to create a campaign, add billing information, etc. But what you want to do is skip all of that and just get straight to the keyword planner so you can do some research there and really optimize your website. So down here, it says, are you a professional marketer? You want to click Switch to Expert Mode. That allows you to skip creating a new campaign and head straight to the keyword planner essentially. So it loads there a little bit and then again they're trying to lock you into creating a campaign, but what you want to do is click create an account without a campaign. And then you do have to confirm your business information to create the account. So let's see, United States. I am not Denver time anymore. I am Chicago. USD, that's all right. And then that's it. That is how you skip creating a campaign and just create a Google Ads account without having to do anything else. So then once you've done that, you can actually use any of the tools on here. So then what I always just like to do is, again, go back to Google Keyword Planner, look that up. And this time when you open it, since you already have an account created, you can just select that account there. And then magically, so then after you've created that account, you can just go back, you can just look up Google Keyword Planner again and kind of do the same thing, but this time you'll have an account already created. I'm showing you this so you can see if you're just opening the computer and logging in, what you need to do. So I'm gonna open your account. I've actually already started creating an ad, and again, it's trying to get me to finish that, but you can actually just go up here to Tools and Settings and go on the left to Keyword Planner under the Planning column. And then magically, you can now use the keyword planner without having had to create any ads or enter any billing information. So then you click Discover New Keywords, and this is where you start your magic. So my game plan is always to come in mind with some specific ideas. So if I'm writing for a certain client or I'm writing for my own business, I have a general idea of what people are looking up when they're searching for that business. So for example, I was writing for an insurance repair contractor. And so I looked up things like general contractor and things like that. And you can select a couple and then search those. And then it's trying to, again, get things to be added to your plan so you can pay for some campaigns, but you can actually be using this to optimize your website copy and get ideas. So I like to pull that over so I can see all of the text. So it shows you the keywords you provided, how many searches they get per month, how the competition is, but then it gives you other ideas. So you want to use this idea section and this broaden your search section to come up with some keywords that have a lot of monthly searches and low to medium competition. And then you can select specific phrases to optimize each page for. So I might select insurance repair contractors. I probably actually wouldn't use that one because it only has 10 to 100 keywords per month, but let's say that was a really good one. I would optimize the homepage for that. So the homepage, I'd make sure that the page title, the meta description, and throughout the copy on the actual website of that page has this keyword in it. And essentially that's just optimizing that page. So that way when people are looking up that phrase, you're more likely to get your page pulled up. You're essentially helping Google do its job. We all like Google because it gets us what we're looking for. You can search something and it pulls it up. And if your website has the information that people are looking for, you just need to make sure that you have the keywords that people are using to look for that information. So this is not the place for that kind of a tutorial, so keep an eye out for that. But this is how you can get access to this keyword planner without having to make an account. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I'm Lauren with Salted Pages, www.saltedpages.com.